Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So today I will be doing a review of this Morphe palette, and also along with that I will be doing the first impressions. Isn't that exciting? For me it is, because I have not done such kind of video on my channel, and since this palette came like few days ago, so I thought of doing it with you guys. Also this is going to be a long video, so have patience. If you are not interested, then you can skip it, and if you are interested, then keep on watching till the end. And first I will be doing my eye makeup, and then I will be talking about the reviews. So here's it. I couldn't resist, so I had to show you first, because I thought of doing one eye and then coming back to you and then show, but then I thought it will be useless. So let me show you first, and then. So this is how it looks like, and this is the place where everything is written. I think it would have been better if the names were written on the palette here. So all the neutral colors, see, I will be using more of this. I love neutral colors, but I have bright neon-y orange, reddish orange. Do you see this one here? And it's a mix of matte shades and also some glittery shades. And I got this from here in Sweden, but yeah, in Sweden we don't have Morphe. I had ordered it from Beauty Bay, that's a website, and I just got to know that they ship to Sweden as well. So without any further delay, I just ordered one Morphe palette and I gifted this to myself. That's it. So I will be back, and with after doing one eye, and another eye I will be doing with you. Thank you, Bhavima, for the cute little headband. I love this. She gave it to me. Yeah. So I will be back. Bye. So I just did this eye look, which I pretty much liked it. So now I will be showing it to you guys. So first what I'll do is, since it's a huge palette too, it's not so easy to handle. So what I'll do is, I'll first show you guys which all are the colors I'm using from here, and then I will name the colors, and so that you can understand what I'm using. First I will be using as a transition shade, that's universal. This is the color. Okay, it's an universal, it's neutral color. Then I will be using this color, is this orange one. This is a blaze, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So the fourth one, this one is a blaze. And before that also, this I will be using so this is a transition shade. This will be in the crease, and to darken up the crease I will be using this one, that is Heat, and also Chestnut. Yeah. So Heat and Chestnut here to darken it a little more, and to further just a little bit creating a little bit of smokiness. So I will be using Brunette. So this is the color. So Brunette, and then Chestnut, then this is Heat, and a Blaze, and this is Universal. So Okay, and on the lids I will be using bronzy and little bit of zippy. So this is bronzy, this is zippy. So let's start. The first color universal goes straight over here. Using that orange color, that's a blaze on my crease with another brush. Going back to universal and blending this. Now I will be mixing the color heat and chestnut little bit, and will be applying with a small more intense brush, so that I get more intensity and I can just precisely do over here. Back to a blaze and putting it again. I'm blending everything here with chestnut, with universal. There are no harsh lines, if you can see. Now I'll take the color brunette and will apply it here. Blend everything. Shimmery shades, that's bronzy and zippy together. A little bit mix and we'll put it with fingers. I'm also blending the brunette color with this goldies and the shimmery shades. I'm doing it with my fingers itself, and but I will take the brunette brush and will just tap it and a little bit blend it one into another. If you can notice here, I just did soft eyeliner look. Okay, so what I did is I have tight lined my eyes very properly. I have put kajal on the upper waterline very properly. And also on the waterline. Slightly put a little bit of kajal over here. Take a smudger and just smudge this out, just very softly. I simply forgot to do the lower lash line. So the same colors will be going over there, the universal and everything, whatever I have used. So I completely forgot. And also joining it with my eyeshadows over here. Mixing the heat and the chestnut, and we'll be applying here. Then smudge with, then put the kajal and then smudge it. So now curling my lashes. mascara, I don't know whether this will look good or not. What should I do? What should I do? I'm wearing this Super Stay Matte Link Maybelline New York. This is in the shade Pioneer 20. And it's a trick if you have gone wrong with your little bit of liquid lipstick. So what you can do is you can fix that up with your lip liner, same lip liner obviously. And further, if you think you have created a mess, then you can clean up with the concealer. If you want to see the details, how to correct it and what are the uses of concealer, you can just giving a link over here. You can click on that and see what are all amazing uses of concealer. So you can try that out. Okay. Realize that I didn't put eyeshadow on my inner corner. So from the same palette, I will be using the shade Pure. This is the color. It's kind of
underneath my brow bone.
And ta-da! I am done. So this is my whole look. Now I will be coming to the review part. So as you have seen, this comes in this package and everything was in bubble wrapped, as you have seen, and I'm not going too much in details about the packaging and how it came. It costed me 265 kronas, okay, Swedish kronas. So I don't know how much it will be. I will just check the description box out. I will be mentioning the price there in Indian rupees. And I don't know whether Beauty Bay delivers the products in India. You can check out, and like even if it is there will be customs or not, I don't know about it. It was free shipping to Sweden. And one more thing, what you can do is you can check the Instagram sellers. There are a lot of Instagram sellers out there who sells this foreign makeup. So I know somebody who is a trustworthy one, so I got a Huda palette from her. So I will also give her name in the description box. So this is, as you have seen, all the colors are very warm to warm color. This is a very good palette for those who love warm and neutral colors, and this very well goes with the Indian skin tone. It's expensive. It's on the expensive side, and of course if I could afford it, so I have bought it. No problem if you don't want to buy this. There are a whole lot of palettes in check out in Nykaa.com. There will be a lot of palettes. Yeah, of course not get all this type of colors. If you want to have all these colors in one palette and everything, then of course you have to buy this. So it can't be I don't want to spend much, but then I need all these colors in my vanity. So this is something which is not real. This is something you're expecting too much out of. So if you want to have this kind of colors, you can check out PAC Cosmetics. Also have this neutral shade palette, so you can check that out. There are colors. There is a palette from PAC, PAC. Okay, so yeah, so you can check that out. So I have to give a lot of information. Long video, as I have mentioned, but I cannot help because I have to do the review as well. Okay, so this has got 35 shades. Okay, so and in the back, if you want me to read, I will read. Meet your score of beyond creamy, highly pigmented, super blendable eyeshadows. Right,
All are right.
everything with what they are saying are right. This fiery palette is bursting with off-the-chart oranges and boldly warm neutrals. The endless looks are up to you. Morphe babes don't just blend in, they blend the rules. Wow. One thing what I would have wanted out of this palette is a mirror here, because it's difficult, because I am not doing it like this. I have to take another mirror and do my makeup. So that's that. And another thing is, as I told you earlier, I wanted all these names not here but on the palette. That would have been more convenient. Want some makeup palette, like those who don't want too much color, if you people can afford, then I will say that also if you are ready to invest, then you can take this palette, Morphe one 3502 again. This is a very nice and pretty palette. I would say if you have this, you will not regret it. Each and every matte shades are pigmented, as well as the shimmery shades. I don't know, probably my brush is not right, maybe, or the brush was not proper. I tried putting the shimmery shade with brush. It didn't work well. Fingers, it works wonders. And I really hope you will be liking this, loving this video and the makeup look I created. I simply love it. I hope the review works for you, and please do check the description box. I will be giving everything over there, so please do check it. And you know, if you do like it, you have to give a big thumbs up. Show me some love. And why you people don't come and join me on Instagram or in Facebook? You will get to know me little bit personally over there also, so come and join me. Babi Nandini Banerjee, I so much love you and love you more for this. These are really beautiful. Thank you. So I will see you next Tuesday. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.